a young man growing up in Ashanti and Western region. Father who was uneducated. Mother who was uneducated. Spending substantial part of my time on a cocoa farm. I never expected that one day I'll be here, and on this day I will be filing my nomination to contest for the front bannership of the New Patriotic Party. With all humility, we are going to begin the process. I know you know me as a former Minister for Education. And I know there are many of you who meet you on the street. And you talk about the work that I did as the Minister of Education. Having been given opportunity by the President and Adam Akufo-Addo, I began my work transforming public schools. I began my work bringing STEM education to Ghana, revamping TVET education. Now the testimony is there for you to see. I only do evidence-based communication. What I have done is there for every one of you to see. Now if the minister who did a great job for this party, did a great job for this nation, stand in front of you and want to be a flag bearer. He is a flag bearer who is a can-do flag bearer. Nothing concerns me more than the issue of the working poor. You are working by your poor. I've gone to America. I've seen the white people. And I have 200 workers that I hired to work for me. I know that God has given me something. And I'm here in Ghana. I've shown you what I'm capable of doing. If I can transform schools, if I can bring STEM education, if I can bring TVET, if you hand me this nation, I will show you my God of history of this nation. Ladies and gentlemen, Ghana will be a great nation. Graduate retraining will make sure graduates will be retrained. If you go to India, one of the things that is happening there is that the job that they are creating is in the field of IT. Obesi factories are the papa. Now some factories are back. Yeah, the robots and the whole. Usi factories do have with here and other than now, baby, I will say, high school, junior high school. You will never buy a computer one. A more do a more share. Obeti here a junior and a perform returns not to Ghana near $200. India fire, Ghana for there. Your best is on man. Your best is on man. Your best is on man. The better Ghana. The year back up. The better no beer. And we can't be the number 2 no one is going. And your son, your factory. If you come and say, we'll fast off. One could do suicide. One could do a pandemic. One could do tapa. One could do Prestia. Now, what's he from? And I'm Tiapo Class. Then they say training in hobby. Trade Basaba. Now, me and me, I can't in your now, you can't anchor ye. Oh, Edumabia, Yabahani Abakam of Akasia, economic policies Akasia. No, the only economic policy that I literally going to speak about is that you, Ghanaians, will prosper. There will be money in your pockets. You will get the opportunity to buy cars. You will get the opportunity to buy a house. To me, that is the most important economic policy. I know that he has seen it there. And Dr. Duchum campaign, one tip of Akasia, and the economic policies Akasia, the other telling the mayor, Ababa, now say, I am in Koye. Dr. Duchum say, call office be a friend of Prosperity Center. Okoha will be so move. Okoha will be a oh, better tell. A one of us will be ye. Now, so ye. Now, we are here. What do I channel? And I'm not going to hear. I did a plan now. I turn the spare parts. Now I buy asthma or my D12. DNA for hotel. Now I tell spare parts now. No more church. Tell me what you're chatting. Dr. Duchum as president. Or say, who will stop? Now we are Juma. I buy crash the Baha. No, but no other chance. Every Sasa Mamia Kosha menu. A problem in your first one. What you may be. Individual prosperity. I'm going to be here and I'm married. Namaka Assembly. Yeah, Papa, no, yeah, family, and I'm not going to go. Almost from Ukraine. A big Constantia Tim Crawford. Omgodo Coco. A big Constantia Tim Crawford Contapa. You call some free. You call Chebidi. A bit was to do Dumba. You call Checheri. You call Chatikro. You try to do a separate pound. A big Bandia. A big Bandia. A big Bandia. A big Bandia. A big Jubilee House. Now, Godoko, Sanitachi Bay. One Godoko, sir. Ghana Benesico, so when Jessica and Ghana, she are dying, and Jessica. And the Americans, the Ghana phone is some year. Now we are here and the Ghana are dying. May baby, I can't so. Yeah, they are different from the crossroad. Or man, my sister. We don't know where standing here trying for. Now I can't remember now. Yes, I'm going to a better way 31st. I'm not a baby too. And the American town is that. Saudi, what do you see repeat? Now, in baby, what they are delegate on that Roma. Delegate on that Roma. And Tanta only baby, I would not. Sorry, I was a shuffle. One I'm into Mano. Open Mosca. Open Mosca was a imam. One I'm into Mano. This is what me, Obiana, and MPP me on Traba. No, this answer. And you buy no my dinner. One I'm into Mano. Yeni NDC Bajina, Dr. Duchum, Nanisha Hunti, Dr. Duchum, Nahubra Senti, Dr. Duchum, Nabuchen.